This holiday season, unwrap the magic of Christmas with our exclusive PLR RGE Ideas for Christmas. Offer a gift of endless inspiration for a joyful celebration.
Indulge in the spirit of Christmas with 3 incredible products that promise to elevate your festivities.
First on the menu, we present the best 100 recipe ideas for Christmas. It's not just a collection, it's a culinary journey.
Festive flavor fusion awaits you. Experience the culinary delight of our festive Feta and Cranberry stuffed chicken, a perfect harmony of flavors.
Indulge in the Peppermint Mocha Cupcakes with white chocolate frosting, a sweet sensation for your taste buds that will leave everyone wanting more.
Next, discover the best 100 gift ideas for Christmas, an ultimate guide to thoughtful and innovative gifts that will leave your loved ones speechless.
Transform homes into smart spaces with our futuristic Smart Home Hub, the ultimate automation hub for unparalleled convenience and control.
Capture cherished moments with a personalized 3D printed family portrait, a unique and timeless representation of your loved ones.
Finally, explore the best 100 event ideas for Christmas, your go-to source for creating unforgettable holiday celebrations.
Dive into a magical realm with our Enchanting Snowflake Gala, where every snowflake holds a touch of wonder and joy.
Foster creativity and fun with a gingerbread house building extravaganza, turning sweet treats into architectural masterpieces.
This Christmas, let PLR RGE Ideas for Christmas be your guide to a season filled with joy, creativity, and unforgettable moments. Unlock the magic today.